What's up mga ka-RM? Ayan, welcome back sa ating RM Hobby Collection. Ayan. So guys, get ready with me to unbox another toy, another figure, another Dragon Ball. So guys, ayan. So today we will be unboxing another Ichiban Kuchi Master Light Son Goku Kaioken. To give you a condition of our box, it is an MIB. MIB means mint in the box. So the box is very clean, as you can see. Yan. The figure is well preserved. Complete inclusion siya. All the accessories are still intact inside. So it's not yet open. Ika nga. So guys, to give you a quick background, Son Goku's Kaioken, this form comes from the Dragon Ball Z Saiyan Saga during Goku's legendary fight against Vegeta. Yan. So guys, what is Kaioken? So according to my research, it is not a transformation. It is a technique taught by King Kai. Yan. Where Goku multiplies his power and push his body beyond its limits. So ayan. So as you can see, this moment or this scene is considered to be the most intense and aggressive scene during the Dragon Ball Z history. Ayan siya. And as you can see, the box itself, you can see already the figure. Ayan siya. So guys, this is a price A Ichiban Kuchi figure. The size may be 25 to 26 centimeter or 10 inches in tall. Ayan. Maybe 10 inches. Ayan siya. So let's open it. So sa box pa lang makikita na natin ang kanyang dynamic pose. Ayan. Ito lang siya. Ayan. You can see already the dynamic pose, ayan, that captures the Kaioken aura and aggression. Ayan. Kita nyo naman guys. Ayan siya. Diba? Very intense. Ayan. So guys, let's check it out. So yun yung sinasabi ko sa you guys. It's an MIB. Ayan. It's not yet open. This is the ayan, foot support sa mga accessories niya. So guys, hindi siya ano kaya ito? Plastic sa hair. Yan. So let's open it. Yan. Look mo siya. So ito yung cover siguro ng hair. And let's have a stand. Ito yung figure. So guys, ayan siya ha. Check. Tatanggal ba siya? Oh, tatanggal pala siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Tatanggal siya. Check ang kanyang foot support. Ganyan. The foot support. Let's check kung tatayo siya. Yan. Look guys. Yan siya. So the details guys, look at the muscles. Muscles niya. The facial expression is very intense. The hair, yan. Yung hair niya, very perfect ang pagkaka-carvings. The color, guys, the color, yan. The color of Goku's clothes, ayan. Ganda rin siya. Ayan. Look, every single details from the face. Ayan. Kung makikita niya yung face. Ayan. May color din yung kanyang ito. Ayan. There's a color also there. Ayan. Ayan, yung mga carvings niya dito at saka dito. It's not just a line, guys. It has also a color. Ayan, to see the real facial expression of Goku. Ayan. Ayan siya. Even yung kanyang damit sa likod, it's very detailed. Ayan. So, you can see yung reflection ng high power Kaioken moment niya talaga siya. Ayan. So, it's very clean, guys. The carvings of the muscles. Yan. Sa face. Yan. Overall, okay. So, guys, pwede nyo siyang maging centerpiece niya sa inyong collection. Yan. Yan siya. Lagay natin dito. Oops. Oops. Ayan. Ayan siya pagka nakatayo. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ito lang, guys. Kailangan nyo lang siyang ayusin. Ayan. So, iba yung stand ni Son Goku. Naka-push ang kanyang chest. So, kaya siya mayroong support. Ayan, foot support. Medyo mabigat din siya. Medyo mabigat yung dito sa part. Ayusin natin. Ayan, nakaayos na siya. Ayan, ganun lang siya talaga. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Son Goku's Kaioken is now in front of you guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, RM Hobby Collection, and follow our Facebook, RM Hobby Collection. And also, please support my page, Shimmery's Fashion Boutique, for your accessories, clothes, and more. Yan. So don't forget, guys, Shimmery's Fashion Boutique, RM Hobby Collection. Follow it in Facebook. Subscribe in our YouTube channel, RM Hobby Collection. So for more Ichiban Kuji and Dragon Ball unboxing, as you can see, marami pa tayong i-unbox. Pin nyo lang yan, subscribe and follow lang kayo para ma-update kayo sa bagong unboxing videos natin. So thanks again for watching and bye-bye!